Building Structures in French, Structure 5. Bonjour et bienvenue. Hello and welcome to this French course. This is the 5th course in the Building Structures in French series. We've learnt 4 different structures so far, enabling us to talk about the past, the present, and how to use infinitive carriers to form useful questions and statements. In this 5th structure, we're going to be looking at a new tense that will enable us to talk about the past. We've already had one way to talk about the past when we learnt about the present perfect tense. But in this course, we're looking at the imperfect tense. The imperfect tense is a very useful past tense. Whilst the present perfect tense allows us to talk about or ask about what happened at a specific point in time, the imperfect tense lets us talk about what was happening or what used to happen. We're going to be looking at how to conjugate verbs into the imperfect tense, how to use it with the 5th structure, and how to turn it negative, just like we do with the other structures. Now that we've amassed quite a few structures though, we can start putting them together to really improve our communication proficiency in French. We're going to look at how we can combine Structure 5 with other structures we've been learning. As always, all the lessons in this course have been broken down into 3-minute chunks. That way, you can listen to one 3-minute lesson every day without having to eat into your schedule. Obviously, you can watch more than one lesson per day if you wish, but I would recommend you stop before you want to. If you get to the end of a lesson and you're feeling exhausted, then you've gone too far. You really want to stop whilst your head still feels fresh enough to focus. By doing this, learning French will never become something that you get bored with, and you'll be much more likely to carry on. So let's start learning all about Structure 5 in French. Alors, commençons. So let's begin.